What I like most about working at Hydra Unlimited is being able to see my designs come to fruition, and even going into the field and seeing growers use that design and seeing the higher yields. Hi, my name's Qwik-Lok. I'm a product design engineer here at Hydra Unlimited. I was part of the conception of the HydraMax system along with our founder Dan Campo. We developed the original HydraMax. Some of the things we tried to do with the HydraMax system was eliminate air stones, maximize space, reduce the amount of water used, the efficiency in dosing, and just make it simple and easy to clean. With the circulator system, we're able to really quickly mix the water and nutrient so you don't have to wait. It fully homogenizes within a few minutes. Another big design consideration was to eliminate the reservoir. It's a waste of space, it's a waste of water, it's space that you could grow more plants, it's less nutrient, less water that you have to use. With advances in dosing and sensing technology, it's not needed anymore. Other design considerations we had were eliminating barb connections that are difficult to disassemble, require worm clamps and things like that that tend to leak. We used our proprietary Qwik-Lok system so that you can really quickly and easily take hoses apart, switch hoses out. You can even adjust lengths if you want to. It really helps you clean the system, customize the system. It's much more reliable. When you put all these things together, what results is the optimal condition for plant growth and higher yields.